Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. Hey guys, welcome back again. Today I back with a serious topic like a DLL file missing error in Windows or PC. So today I will show you how to fix all DLL missing file error in your Windows or PC. For this you need to go to Google, and in the Google just type Microsoft Download Center and go to the first link. And here in the search box just type DirectX and User Runtime Web Installer. Okay, after it just hit on enter. So here you will get the direct download link of DirectX. Open this first one. And finally here you will get the download option. Just click on it. Here as you can see it's downloaded successfully. If this method do not work for you, you can download it from another website. So after download it, you will get this setup file. Just double click on this setup file. Okay, here click on accept. Then next. And being I don't want. Then next. After click on next, it will start installing all missing or all DLL files as you can see. So installing all DLL files including your missing files, it will take some time for it. After this just finish it. Okay, this is complete successfully. So after this just click on finish and reboot your system. Hopefully this will help you and you can fix your problem. So thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Till then stay with us and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.